So, what are your first impressions about the event?
I think the event's been absolutely wonderful. I really like how we've had, presentations mixed with panels. It's really interesting to get all the different perspectives from agency versus clients, AdColony as well. And it's just been really great to just meet people from so many different parts of the world as well. It's been very, very interesting.
So, what do you plan to learn from the panels in this summit?
Pardon? Sorry?
What do you plan to learn from the panels in the summit?
What have I learned from the panels in the summit? There's been so many takeaways. Yesterday we were debating audience and contextual bias. I thought that was really interesting. There's so many, honestly, I'm trying to think, there's been so many things. We talked about creativity, we talked about brand safety, I talked about brand safety. I mean, a lot of the stuff that we've been talking about are very current and very big issues, and so we're talking about it a lot at the moment, especially in the UK. We've got all this GDPR problems, and so I just think it's quite interesting just how everything's been tied together, and I guess just how we're approaching things quite differently.
So let me put it this way.
Yeah.
What do you think is the most exciting recent trend in brand communications?
Yeah, I think both of them actually hand in hand, because video has always been kind of going on the up. You can get a lot more of your brand across. You can talk to the user more than what you can do with just a normal static. And mobile gaming in particular, gaming in general is developing at such a quick rate, because you can catch people in so many different mindsets. While they're commuting, while they're at home, when they're relaxing, you can reach them with so many different types of messages and get your brand across. So tying the two together is very, very powerful. And I think that, yeah, absolutely, I think both of them are growing exponentially.
Thank you very much.
No problem.